Wednesday. This is my fit. Have much toys here like usual. They have some, wow, they have some giant stuffed animals. No Squishmallows. It's interesting. Aww. Oh, these guys are so cute. Oh my gosh. But yeah, nothing. Probably gonna get one or two of these guys because only $3.47. That's really good. This is so cool. Hello Kitty Squishmallows here. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Grandma, they have them! There's so many of them. No way, there's a dragon one. Oh my god. $16 $9.99. Oh my gosh, this is the cutest dragon one I've ever seen in my life. It's so cute. And an owl. Oh my god. I know. I can't believe they have them. They never have them in California. This one is so cute too. I can't believe I found the dragon. Oh, they're slightly different. This one's darker. Nice. Guys are so cute. Wow, the dragon one is the cutest one I've ever seen. I see. $9.99. Yeah, that's crazy. $9.99. Yep. Costco. At Dollar Tree, let's see if they got any poppets. Don't see any. Don't see much fidgets either. They do have this though, that's kind of cool. Nope. Nothing good. Had to check because I've never seen the poppets anywhere else. Okay, you guys, I'm back now. I'm in hotel room. Can you guys believe that I found those Squishmallows? I can't. $10 for a 20-inch or 16-inch? That's crazy. And Celestina, I believe, however you said her name. The dragon one is insane. Dragons are my favorite Squishmallows ever, and I am so happy I found them. So happy. I didn't make it to Target because it was further away, and I had already found Squishmallows, so chances are I probably wouldn't have found any there. Unless there was Cressetta, and I probably should have gone, you know what I mean? But oh well, it's fine. I'm just so pumped that I found them. Putting on my shoes, I love these. They're Michael Kors. I've had them for a while. I've literally had them for like 7 years or something. But yes, I'm going to wear them. We're gonna go out to dinner. And yeah, I didn't realize that these socks aren't actually rainbow. They don't have purple, but oh well. Same difference. It's obviously rainbow, just without the purple. A little homophobic, whoever made them. Alright. I love these so much. I've been wearing them the whole time. Oh, my vape. Aren't they so cute? I love them so much. And they give a little heel. It's a vibe, I think. Got my wallet. Okay. Got my grandma's phone because she left it. Why even have it if you're gonna leave it? Where did my mask go? Here it is. Mask. I have some other ones too. When I go outside, a double mask, because if you can see outside, it's like insanely smoky from all the fires. Like the ash was falling yesterday and today. Actually, it's not too bad now, but like this morning it looked way clearer and it's a lot worse. Usually here there's like blue skies and it's beautiful, but it's been like this for 6 weeks. That was fine, but you know, yeah. I might go to that CVS, but that CVS yesterday I didn't film, but I didn't find any Squishmallows there, so probably not gonna go because I don't think they have restocked since 24 hours ago, but yeah. Ready. I know I showed my fit like a bazillion times today, but I think it's cute. These two things I got at a thrift store. I got the socks on Romwe, I believe. I got this yesterday at the Crystal store, and these pants are from Forever 21. Hotels kind of scare me. I mean, it just goes on forever. Look at that. Creepy. Which one? This one. Oops. Amazing. Fun for a couple days. Yep.
Now back to the old routine, huh?
Yep. Wow. This is where I should live. I love the trees. So pretty. All the cut trees. Aw. God, this stuff keeps getting on my foot. I should have worn better shoes. I'm finally home, you guys. And my cat. That's what that noise is. Finally home. I had to do the haul and stuff like that, but I right now have to do some grinding on my games because, yeah, and like look how empty that wall is. It's crazy. I'm moving, you guys. Sad, but yeah. So I just finished filming my crystal video. I did the shopping video like I did last March, I believe. You guys can find that on my channel. And I also did the haul for it. So yeah, this is all that I got. Go watch that video to see them all up close, know the names and such. But yeah, I am very happy, and I did not even spend very much at all. I love this place so much. It's Stone Age Quarry. They have a shop in Reno and Virginia City, which is where I went, and they also have an online website you guys should definitely check out. They have great prices, and you know you're getting true, like real crystals and stones. I recommend you guys check them out. And I'm wearing all of them at once. Just to show you guys, here is the lapis lazuli pendant, and these ones. I love this one, looks like a little leaf. Very cool. I'm so happy with them. Alright guys, I look bad, but I'm gonna real quick open up this Star Wars Micro Force thing. It's in a little red lightsaber. It says 1, 2, 3, 4, so I don't know if that means there's 4 surprises in there or what. Sorry, my cat's being naughty again. I got a little Padme, which is cute. I'll show you them up close soon. And then I got a Stormtrooper, but he looks like when they're in the desert. I don't know what it's called. But in here is the secret one. It's really hard to see who this is. Some girl, let's see. So yeah, you basically can, oh wait, there's something else in here. Is this a sticker? They are stickers. Oh, you can put them outside. And look, a little Rey sticker, how cute. So you can put it back together, and then it's a little lightsaber, which is cute. I'll probably use it to display these guys. But let's see. We got Rose, which is interesting. So different series. So in this series, there's no Rey, so I'm not too disappointed that I didn't get her. But yeah, let me show you up close. All right, so here is Queen Amidala. Very cute. I actually really like this one. This is probably the one I really wanted. I also kind of wanted Jar Jar Binks. You know, he is annoying. And Kit would have been cool to get, but that's her. And then we got the Shore Trooper right here. And then we got Rose from the Resistance Tech Rose. It's actually pretty cute. Oh, and she's sparkly. I didn't notice that. Wow. And then we got the Imperial Guard. And he's not sparkly, so it's the blind ones, I believe, are the sparkly. Oh, wait, he is. I'm an idiot. You just can't tell in the front. Oh, you can now, but that is very cool. I like the Guard, and, well, I like these three the best. I could care less about the Shore Trooper, but still, I think these are really cute little blind bag thing. Blind lightsaber for $1.97, I think is worth it, but for $10, which is the original price, it's not worth it. There they are. Pretty cool. I'll probably just display this, but not so much them inside. I think they're pencil toppers, which is kind of cool. So you can wrap this sticker around to make it look more like a lightsaber. I'm glad I did get a Rey, though, very cute, and a Poe. I've been playing this game. It's the last day of the event.
Nope.
Oh, you were actually so sweet because the other kitty's not here, huh? You're so cute. So pretty. You're so pretty. Wow.